My name is Kiara and this is Alyssa, and today we'll be making some pizza. So make sure you guys stay tuned and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And hello and welcome to all our new subscribers. Welcome, you guys. I'm so excited and thank you guys so much for subscribing. So yeah, y'all, we're gonna be eating this pizza for lunch. So we're about to get right into it. I just came up with this idea to make pizza because Alyssa loves pizza. And I was like, why not spend some time together and make pizza together, homemade pizza. So we got these Pillsbury pizza crust. I was thinking about if we should make our dough ourselves, but then I was like, nah, let's make it something quick and simple. So we got the pre-made pizza dough. We have some chicken, cheese. This is mozzarella cheese or Parmesan, one of them. I have some bell peppers. We have some frozen crushed spinach, some cheese, and then we have the ragu pizza sauce. And yeah, y'all, I do also have some barbecue sauce too because I think I want to put
barbecue sauce.
Yeah, I think I want to put some barbecue sauce on my pizza. Alyssa probably don't like barbecue sauce on her pizza, but whatever. So we're gonna.
We got
Yeah, we're gonna open it up here. You wanna open it?
Yeah.
Like, y'all know I love this little the cooking with Alyssa, so I was like, why not let's do a little video together. I mean, I love to come up with ideas for us to spend some time together. So I was like, why not make some pizza? 1, 2. All right, here's the pizza dough. I also have some flour too, just in case we need to put some flour on it. Wait, we have to spread it out first. We're gonna put this right here. We're gonna spread it out first, and then we're going to roll it. It's kind of sticky. It's really sticky, actually. And we did wash our hands. Oh. This stuff is really, oh snap. I don't want to stretch it out too much.
Too much.
Yeah, too much. Right? Okay, you want to roll it? There you go. She's been tweaking to roll this thing. And if you guys love our outfits, you guys, we got these Mommy and Me outfits from SHEIN. Make sure you guys go check out our SHEIN haul. We got some cute pieces from them, Mommy and Me pieces. So yeah. Oh, you want me to help you? Oops. Come on. You gonna do it together, or you want me to do it? Ooh, roll, 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 roll. I don't think we need to roll it out too much. All right. Think that's enough? Okay. Oh, it's not enough? Okay, you ready to put the sauce on there?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna put this to the side. And we're gonna get our red sauce. And here, you can use the spoon and put your red sauce on your pizza. Oh wait, it's not gonna fit. So let me just put some on there like that. Ooh. Okay. Now you can spread it out like that. Smells good. It smells so good. Ooh, you need some more red sauce? Yes. Alrighty, there we go. Y'all, make sure y'all try this, and if you guys do, make sure you guys let me know in the comments down below. And if you guys have any other suggestions on, you know, little quick ideas we can do together. I mean, like I always say in my videos like this that I work so much, so I try my hardest to find some time for Alyssa and, you know, spend some quality time together with her. So little stuff like this. What was it? So yeah, little stuff like this really makes a difference. You like it? All right. So let's see what else you want to put on there. You want to put some cheese? Here, which cheese? They got this cheese and then you have cheese like this. This is a Mexican mix and this is Parmesan. Want this This one?
Yeah.
Go ahead. You want to stand up?
Yeah.
Okay. But you got a little shoes on. Go ahead, put some cheese on your pizza. No. You could just sprinkle it like that with your hand. Sprinkle. You gotta sprinkle it all around your pizza. All around. You wanna put some of the other cheese on there? Go ahead. It's okay, I got you. You're not gonna fall. Some more cheese. Ooh, cheesy pizza. And y'all, we do not eat beef or pork, so that's why I only have chicken to put on there instead of pepperonis. Because we don't eat pepperonis.
I love pepperoni.
You love pepperonis?
Yeah.
I love pepperonis if you never had it before. Okay. Do you want to put some vegetables on it?
Yeah.
The vegetables right here?
Oh, it's dirty in my hand.
It's okay, we're gonna clean them. Here's some vegetables. This is chopped spinach.
Stop.
Yeah, chopped spinach. It's frozen, so it's kind of like hard a little.
It's cold.
It is cold.
The vegetables cold.
The vegetables is cold. All right, I think that's enough vegetables.
It's dirty.
It is dirty.
It's dirty.
Look, my hand's dirty too. Okay, now you want to do some chicken? Let's put some chicken on the pizza. Chicken on the pizza. Chicken on the pizza. Now this is super easy and super quick. Like this is a real quick dinner idea.
Let's stop it.
Oh, you dropped this, okay. For the little ones. Next time we do this, we're definitely gonna make the dough from scratch. Dough, I tried to make dough from scratch one time and it didn't really come out too well. So I was like, this time, I'ma just
Oh,
go.
big.
Go ahead. You wanna put all that cheese on there?
Yeah.
Go ahead. All right, all done? Okay. Oh, we forgot to preheat the oven. So this is gonna be our first pizza. Oh, look, we forgot about this spot. We need some more cheese right there. There we go.
I want big cheese.
And put that on there. Girl, we can't miss none of them, okay? Put all of our little vegetables on our pizza. We're all done? Yeah?
I'm not all done. I'm all done.
You're not all done? So this is gonna be the first pizza, you guys. We're gonna cook it in the oven. I'm just trying to roll the sides so none of our toppings come off. All done.
You're not all done.
It's not all done? What you trying to put on there? You want to put some more cheese on there?
Yeah.
You like a lot of cheese?
Yeah.
Okay. You want all the cheese?
Yeah.
Okay. This is gonna be a real cheesy pizza. So let me preheat the oven and I'm gonna pop this one in the oven and then I'm gonna start on mine. So I got it in the pan for future references. Started off in the pan because it was really hard for me to get it off this wooden thing into the pan. So yeah, I'm about to pop this in the
I
oven.
want to eat it.
You wanna eat it? Go ahead, eat it, girl. Eat all the cheese. All right. So like I said, y'all, I'm gonna put this right into the pan. I'm gonna cook it in rather than the board.
I want to eat it.
You wanna eat what?
I want to eat it.
Okay, let me put the Let me put some cheese on my pizza first, okay?
It's so I love it.
I love it.
It
So I'm just gonna wrap it up in two like that because
it smells good.
it smells so good. What it smell like?
Pizza.
Like pizza?
Yeah.
Alyssa's pizza is in the oven cooking.
We got roll it.
Go ahead, roll it. You rolling it?
Yeah.
Alright. Good job, Alyssa. I kind of like a thick crust, so that's why I'm on. That's why I flipped mine. And I have this circle pan rather than the square one like Alyssa had. Alright, think that's enough? Okay. So I'm going to put some tomato sauce on mine. And I'm going to put some barbecue sauce. So I got some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue. So I'm gonna do one side barbecue and one side red sauce. Barbecue, barbecue.
I wanna roll it.
Go ahead.
I wanna roll
Roll the barbecue. Barbecue, 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 barbecue. Alright. Good job.
It's barbecue.
Yes, it is
I
barbecue.
wanna eat it.
Wanna taste it? You like it?
Yeah.
Surprisingly. Okay, next we're gonna put some cheese on it. You gonna put some cheese on mine?
Yeah.
It sounds good. If you guys never tried barbecue sauce with your pizza, it's so good, y'all. Much better than, not much better, but it gives it like an extra taste rather than the
I wanna eat.
the red sauce.
I wanna eat it.
You can eat it, girl. Dang, she is swinging to eat this cheese.
Eat it.
Go ahead, you can eat some. Alyssa is obsessed with cheese. Y'all let me know if y'all kids are like that as well, because even my niece is obsessed with cheese. Like when she was little, that's all she ever wanted to eat was just a bunch of cheese. Just cheese, cheese, cheese. That's crazy. I think they put something in the cheese. So I'm gonna put some yellow bell peppers on mine because that's what I like and that's my business. I'm excited, y'all. I love pizza. My mom used to do stuff like this with us, y'all. But we used to make it off the make the pizza with the French bread, and it used to be so good. We used to have like pizza night. We used to make our pizza. We used to have like sandwiches, like po' boy nights, and we used to everybody used to make their own little po' boy sandwiches. Oh my gosh, amazing memories. I think that's kind of why I like doing stuff like this with Alyssa, because of what my mom used to do with us. So I'm gonna try to roll mine up. I see you wasting all the pizza all over, girl.
I'll eat it. Eat it.
I see. She is going to town. All right. So there's my pizza. Girl. So here's my pizza, you guys. Alyssa's going in with this cheese. So I'm about to pop my pizza in the oven and we'll come back when we show you guys how our pizza. This girl. I think that's enough cheese.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
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 No.
Yes. Okay, you guys, our pizza is done. So I'm about to cut it. I let Alyssa cool off. She said, wow.
I'm gonna do it.
You want to do it? Let me see.
I'm gonna eat it.
Wait, let me cut it. Let me cut it. I'm going to cut it and then you can eat it, okay?
I'm gonna make it.
that's a lot of cheese. Yeah. Okay. Good job. There we go. Here, you can hold it. Like it? It's good? Okay. Alyssa likes it. I'm about to cut mine. Mine's still kind of hot. But that's okay because I like mine hot. Ooh. Uh-oh. You love it? I'm so excited that you love it. Okay. Ooh, here's mine. Look, y'all got the little holes at the bottom of mine.
Holes.
I didn't think about like the crust seeping through.
It got holes. It got holes, man. It got holes in your finger.
No, I don't have holes in my finger.
It's a lemon.
It's really good.
Really good. You love it?
I love it.
I love it too. I like cheese. I like cheese.
You like cheese?
Now I love.
A barbecue sauce on it. Really good.
I got my barbecue sauce.
I'm cut the smaller piece. You cut her a smaller piece. There you go.
Oh,
That one a lot of bread.
oh my God, that's big.
She's talking about something that's the green. That's your yummy vegetables you put on your pizza. It's yummy, huh?
Yeah, I love it. Do you like it?
I do like it.
Do you like it? Oh, it's big, big.
I told y'all this is our lunch, so it only could come out right.
I like chicken.
You like chicken?
Yeah.
So, we did it. 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 So you guys, this came out really, really good, and I hope you guys try it out with your little ones. Spend some time together making pizza. Super easy and super quick. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. We're about to finish eating our pizza. I didn't ate almost all of mine because it was really good. Definitely try it out with the barbecue sauce. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. You want to snap? She's trying to learn how to snap. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And we'll see you in the next. Ooh, excuse me. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Bye bye, y'all.
Bye bye what?
Bye bye, y'all.
Bye bye y'all.